Well, hello everyone. This footage is recorded at 1080 and I've upscaled it to 2.7K. It's far too windy and really blustery. The phone isn't connected to the app and I'm running follow mode at medium height and medium distance. I am riding extra slow to give it a chance. This is the first time I've taken it out and the conditions are pretty extreme. I'm very impressed with its followability. It just has to have some kind of AI built into the camera, because it's actively avoiding branches. You can see it do it, just it following my path. I said the video isn't very good, and alright, on these fast moving grass it kind of blurs a bit, but it's perfectly acceptable for YouTube. Right then, well, it crashed 3 times and I saw 2 of them. It simply got blown over by the wind and obviously went into default switch off, fell about 6 foot, no damage at all, landed on sand. It only lost me once. The bike is a haibike Fat 6 running on 4.8 tyres with a 500 watt-hour battery. The winds around here are up to 30 kilometers an hour. Still giving a perfect picture even when it's been pivoted over to nearly 45 degrees. The camera works really well because in the forest parts it's actually very dark. In fact, I feel it works better than a GoPro. £169 in the UK, the performance of this drone is unbelievable. Every time I stop and turn around, it's waiting for me right there. I just have to reach out my arm without even moving. It's only a short video, but you must admit that is pretty impressive to say the least. It hasn't got any dedicated collision devices, but you quite clearly see there that it stopped for a second when that branch was in front of it and steered around it. It must be totally relying on the camera. There must be an algorithm running in the background. If someone had told me this was like a top-end drone like the Skydio following here, I'd believe them. It really is steering its path. I know you can just say that it's trying to keep the exact same angle as I am as I go around the bends, but there's more to it than that. I mean, I totally expected it to crash into the trees every 2 seconds, but it was steering through really, really well. And yes, I was in the wrong gear when I tried to go up the hill, thinking about the drone too much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week with no doubt some of this footage in my video.